बेंगळुरू येथे झालेल्या 11व्या CPA परिषदेत महाराष्ट्र विधान परिषदेत
Also, my another question is that, are we listening to voices in our assemblies and councils which are unheard? Many times new issues are cropping up, and here I would like to say humbly that half of the population should not be neglected. There are women in our society. While legislative debate is a powerful tool for all, its significance is perhaps most profound when it addresses historical injustices and aspirations of our nation's women. For too long, women's issues were relegated to the margins of political discourse, often treated as secondary concern. Sir, with respect for all, I have sometimes listened that if a minister is not functioning well, in joke, people say that let him make a minister for women and child. So I think this is gender bias within ourselves. We consider women and child department or social justice department which are not having that much value. Actually, those should be the important departments. For too long, be a true democracy cannot thrive when half of its population is silenced or sidelined. It is in the hollowed halls of the legislature that we must actively and deliberately champion the cause of women. This involves not only debating laws on gender equality, but also ensuring that our policies address the specific challenges women face for economic empowerment and equal pay put to protection for violence and access to health culture. When it reserves seats for women in local governance, it empowers a new generation of leaders to directly represent their communities. Since 1993, after having the reservation in local self-government and municipal corporation, Jilla Parishad, 50% women, so there are more than million of women who are in the decision-making process. But here I would like to mention that the Namo Shakti Vandan Videyak has been passed in the Parliament by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra J. Modi, and it has given hope of that tunnel which was not having any end, but this tunnel, it has opened the way for a super fast rapid progress for women in the decision making. And also our Parliament and Rajya Sabha has made a history that with a thumping majority these bills have been passed, and in Rajya Sabha there was not a single negative vote which went against it, was passed unanimously. So if we had imagined before 10 years that this will be passed unanimously, nobody would have believed, but we have got at least some progress in that, and we are hopeful by 2029 we will be able to implement it properly. Sir, notable